Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. I mentioned in the video for our weekly meal plan for May week 3 that we were going on a cruise with some friends in Alaska, and I was going to show you the meals while we're on our trip. So I went ahead and did a meal plan for May week 4 because we're still on the cruise, and I'm going to show you what we eat and do and if we buy anything. So I will just turn the camera around and show you the meal plan, and then the next few clips you'll see are from the ship. See you there. So May week 4, Sunday through Saturday, we will be on a cruise. We'll return home on Saturday. By the time you see this video, we are at home doing laundry and enjoying ourselves, or actually relaxing. So the next few videos you'll see are from the ship. The welcome cake. Breakfast this morning is an omelet with spinach, cheese, and onions, and some bacon, and a sliced potato. You got the bon appetit. We had a crudité appetizer, chicken wings, and lamb and cauliflower appetizer, and we were hungry, so we started eating before I could thought to take a picture. Tonight for dinner, I'm having a burger and fries.
Now you have a game.
Always on the lookout for new ingredients and recipes. One sunny day, he bought a mysterious cooking book with a lock attached to it at the flea market. Once he arrived home, he quickly realized this was no ordinary cooking book. The book contained magical recipes to solve all sorts of problems, such as Greek salad to making
Please don't hurt me. I didn't mean to summon anybody.
Oh, don't be scared. I come bearing good news. I will grant you not one, not two, but 3 wishes in return for your excellent cooking skills.
And that's just a sampling of some of the food we had on the cruise. It was nice not having to cook or worry about anything, and everybody was fed well. It was an enjoyable time. Also, for the 5th week of May, I didn't plan. We got back out from our trip. It was a little bit of jet lag. We did a red eye coming back home, and we went right to work. So we were a busy week, and we ate out quite a bit, ate some leftover stuff at home, and there's really nothing to report. So I plan on getting back on schedule for the 1st week of June and show you guys what we have going on in the kitchen. Thank you for watching and coming along with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.